welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect hardware wallets and sign safely in Solana Phantom. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to connect a hardware wallet to Phantom, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Phantom on your device. So once you're in your Phantom, you need to download the Phantom extension and choose to connect a hardware wallet as well, ensuring your hardware device is connected and unlocked. So for a secure signing, always initiate the transaction through the Phantom interface, then approve the details on your hard drive or hardware wallet's screen before confirming. The private keys never leave your hardware wallet during the process. So you need to connect the hardware wallet by downloading and installing the Phantom extension, opening the extension and selecting +add/connect wallet. Choose the connect hardware wallet section. Make sure your hardware device is plugged in, unlocked, and the Solana app is open. Follow the prompts on screen to select the accounts you wish to add and click add account. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.